Okay, it's Monday today. I am walking to the practice. They're practicing for the traditional dance, so we'll see how it goes. Give you a sneak peek. Alright, we're gonna listen to some traditional song. Today's Wednesday. It's very hot today. This morning it was actually kind of cool, which was nice. But then, like, as soon as the sun comes out, it gets really hot around here. But yeah, I just came from music. They're still practicing. Today's Wednesday, so they're practicing all day today. I think the competition's tomorrow and Friday, so that's pretty. They're kind of pushing into the last minute. They seem a lot farther behind this year than last year, so they got a lot of practice to do. But yeah, it's so cool to watch the interaction between the teachers and the staff who are helping with the music and the students. You know, it's more than just teaching them music and dance and like the instruments. It's really like, at the same time, it's like a passing down of culture and like a really, it's a rich experience for both, you know? It's not just like a student-teacher relationship or even like an adult-child relationship. It's so cool. It says so much about their history and their priorities and their characteristics towards sharing their culture and what's important to them. But the Lulu songs and the dance are just so beautiful, and it's a beautiful thing to hear and a beautiful thing to watch, the interaction. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. But the competition's Thursday, so hopefully we will get you some good footage for that, and then you can watch that. Should be good. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye. As you can see, they just got in new uniforms. It's really exciting. I think they actually have like all the names written on the inside, so they get new uniforms. They get a yellow and a blue. You know, there's blue days and there's yellow days, so it's really cool. They're looking smart. 있죠, 아파요. Very new uniforms. Then your Gertrude is going to draw for us. Brenda, okay, looking very smart. Okay, when did you get your haircut? Okay, I'm here walking home with who? Santa.
William, I don't want it.
And Adiro Anna. And who's this one? Huh? Prosi what? Huh? Laniero. Laniero Prosi. Adiro Anna. And who? Yeah. So we are walking through a shortcut which is cutting through, what are these buildings? Government buildings.
Yes.
Yeah, we are going there, and there's the prison. So we walk by every day. So we see the bad people. Is it true?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's what we're walking right now. Enjoy the view. The Unified group has grown. Hey guys, it is 1:03 a.m. on Wednesday night, Thursday morning. I'm waiting up for somebody, one of the mothers that lives here, to get back from a hospital. She was visiting somebody. And I thought I would just kind of close out this vlog that I'll be posting pretty soon. The competition is actually on Friday, so there's a slight correction for that. So I'm going to close this vlog out, and then we'll post like a new one with all like the dance and drumming stuff, maybe the final practice before they leave, and then the competition will be all day Friday, and they'll wrap that up and hopefully take away first place. We'll see, but I'll definitely get that for you guys. And yeah, this was a good one. It was so neat this week to see all the dancing and the dancing, the singing, and the instrumental and all that stuff. So it's been a good week. It's been busy, and power's been inconsistent as is expected, and everything else has been going good. So Gulu's good. But yep, we'll keep you updated and talk to you soon. Alright, bye for now.